Every day we encounter millions of germs. When life gets busy, we can't afford to get sick. 80% of the germs that make you sick are spread by touch. And while traditional sanitisers may kill germs at first, you're only really safe until you come into contact with the next contaminated item. Imagine a germ technology that's durable enough to remain active on your skin all day, even after normal hand washing procedures, that protects you from germs throughout the day. Imagine a technology that bonds to surfaces around your home and instantly repels any germ. The technology we're about to show you has the power to transform lives across the world by vastly minimising the risk of illness from disease and bacteria. The technological revolution started back in the early 1900s when a group of German scientists identified a molecule which killed bacteria using physics. It bonded to any surface and remained active for long periods of time. This technology evolved into the safe, non-toxic product that is ZOONO today. Paul Hislop, CEO of ZOONO, saw an opportunity to harness the power of this technology and develop it into an effective water-based formulation for everyday life, protecting people from the many dangerous germs that they encounter every day. The groundbreaking technology has evolved since its early form in 1930. ZOONO was established in 2008. In 2009, alcohol was removed from its formula. Since 2010, countries around the world have been using ZOONO to improve quality of life by reducing sickness. ZOONO is now flying off the shelves across the world and is used inside many trusted global businesses. Our re-engineered technology kills 99.99% of germs. It's alcohol-free, made with pure New Zealand water, and is safe for the whole family. ZOONO's formulation kills by a mechanical process. A layer of positively charged microscopic pins coat a surface, then attracts and kills negatively charged pathogens by bursting their cells. Independent lab tests carried out around the world reveal results that have never been seen before. And we welcome businesses to carry out their own tests. An ATP is a device commonly used to measure dangerous microorganisms. An ATP machine can't lie, and the results with ZOONO never cease to impress. With a formulation less toxic and safer than vitamin C, it's no wonder that parents around the world trust ZOONO for even the most delicate skin and around their family homes. Get on with your life without having to worry about germs. Be protected on the sports field, at work, on your commute, and at play. ZOONO, effective and safe germ defense that simply lasts longer.